I've been looking up here for about 3 years for property for what I want to do, which is grow nut trees. I found this block and it was pretty perfect. I got involved with small blocks, big dreams, because here I am the first winter I've moved here, and I get the Landcare email in and there's small blocks, big dreams. And I thought, well, that's just ideal for what I'm doing. So of course I signed up straight away. At the moment I'm just establishing the trees and preparing the land and resting the land from a lot of cattle work. But the next short-term step is just to plant the mainframe trees within the next 12 months. Restoring that mycorrhizal fungi and those soil organisms back to a place that's had trees for thousands and thousands of years. I think that Small Blocks, Big Dreams course really refined what I wanted to do here. The inspiration is there now to gain some more knowledge in terms of silvopasture. Meeting people from Small Blocks, Big Dreams, local people, it just gives you a sense of belonging and connection. It's just becoming part of the community that is so important. And it's always been my dream to be part of a community of like-minded people. Landcare is just such a wonderful support mechanism. It's just so reassuring to know that there's an organisation there that can help you, that you can turn to for information and support.